how to fix not launching Anno 117. Okay, we are going to the files, okay, of your PC, and we are going to the here, okay, in the desktop, and we are going to the Anno 117. Go to the properties, okay, and here we are going to the versions, okay, and if you have any version here, you eliminate, okay, and go to the here, okay, and if you have a here have a this, okay, you delete, and we are going to the Steam, okay, uh, launch Steam, okay, and we are going to the library and go to the Anno 117, okay, and go to the properties here, okay, and if not launch, you put this, okay, and if you have any updates or any DLCs, okay, you download, okay. Bye bye.